this is the bloody best one. Wait for this. New York Times op-ed. Mate with short people to stop climate change. Now, I would have thought, from my perspective, that there are people in mental institutions or even mental institutions that are there for less than idiocy like this. This is an author called Mara Altman, who claims that when you mate with shorter people, you're potentially saving the planet by shrinking the needs of subsequent generations. Now, check your diary. It's not April the 1st. It's not. It's January. Lowering the height minimum for prospective partners, are you listening? On your dating profile is a step forward to a greener planet, she adds in the piece. What about all the tall people who won't have anyone to go with? Oh, can't marry you, marrying her. God, jeez. It's complete frickin' madness we're dealing with here. The world's going insane. Altman argues that shorter people are inherent conservationists. Why? Which is more crucial than ever in this world of 8 billion, adding that if we kept our proportions the same, but were just 10% shorter, in America alone, we would save 87 million tons of food per year. So, shorter people don't eat lots of food then. I actually look around, I think they do, some of them. God dear.